Okay, in the first clip, I'm just going to kind of introduce Google Reader and give you an overview of the interface. So, first off, how to get there if you don't know how already. We signed up for a Gmail account to get our Google account, and we can go just click this More button and go down to Reader. You could also go to google.com/reader. So here is Google Reader. And just to quickly go over the interface at the top, just like most of our Google products, we have links to other ones right here. You see in Gmail, it's the same thing. We've got the email that we're signed in on, the option to go offline, which I'll talk about later, our settings, our account, help, and sign out. And then if we go down here, on the left side, like a lot of other Google products, is kind of where where everything is organized, and then just to the right of it is where your actual content will be. So, just quickly, we're on our home, and this is what we see when we come in. And you can see here are some of our feeds. We've got the NewYorkTimes.com's homepage, and then CNN's World News. So we can switch to All Items view, and this will put the newest at the top. I'll be talking more about this later. The Star Items view lets you star items, so I'd only see the ones that I've starred because I would star them because I like them and I want to save them. And then they've got trends, which I'll talk about later, and shows your reading trends. Your shared items, you can actually share individual stories with friends really easily. I'll show you how to do that. Here's a real important part, and they put it in green so it kind of stands out. The add a subscription and discover link, which we'll talk about later. And then right below that is where you see all your feeds. And I just went ahead and add two so you could see them. Eventually, if you add a whole bunch, I'll have a lot more here. You can see I have folders that I can put my feeds in, and I can minimize and maximize those, and then you can see the feeds that are actually in the folders right there. So, and like I said, here's your main reading area where you do all your reading, and there's a couple different kind of views that you'll use to see, but that's the main area. And we have expanded view and list view over here. So that's just kind of of course, the search bar right here. And you've got some different options for searching. So that's just the main overview of the Google Reader. So I'll start showing you how to use it.